I'm Smita, and today I'm going to share with you a very simple techniques known as Ho'oponopono to improve on your relationship. See, for Ho'oponopono, it consists of 4 very powerful affirmations which says, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. So all you have to do is whatever the relationship that you want to improve in, you have to first take the complete responsibility for it. So what you have to do is think of the person that you want to improve your relationship with him, and think of the emotion that you're feeling about it. And after that, you just put your hands on your heart and you just say, I take total and 100% responsibility for whatever that is not going right in this relationship, and I take 100% responsibility for improving on this relationship. And after that, all you have to do is just say, I'm sorry, take the name of a person, please forgive me, I love you, I thank you. And you have to do it for minimum 11 times or more till you feel better. When you do that, you will see that the negative feeling that you have towards that person will slowly disappears, and your relationship with that person improves. And what happens when you heal the negativity between you and that person, it also brings about the change in that person's. And it is proven that if you do your Ho'oponopono with 100% and clear intention and with feeling, it gives you 100% results. So I hope that you all do try it and improve the relationship. Yes, you can use this same techniques for your money, your career, and your business.